Hey everybody, welcome to this week's extra video. So this week I wanted to do just a very brief thing. I wanted to talk a little bit about one of the requirements for your final project. That is the fact that it is going to be whatever you decide to make, whatever kind of interactive scene or game you decide to make using these simple tools that we've been learning this semester. You will be required to have your project be timed. So you are essentially creating a timed demo for your game. Uh, Here you'll notice we are in the quit script. By the way, we're still in the terrain project here. I just wanted to show you that we're still in the terrain project. This is doing some loading. There we go. We're still in the terrain project. I went ahead and went to my game quit object here, my empty object here. You may recall back in week 5, we put in a little bit of scripting here so that we could quit the game just by pressing the escape key as opposed to having to press Alt F4. For this week, I added in a little bit here at the top. This whole chunk here, this void start chunk, is designed to count down until your exe file auto quits. So this is going to count down until the exe file auto quits. In this case, I have wait for seconds of 5 seconds here, but I will give you a specific amount of time that you will have to put up here. Probably 5 minutes. So in reality, you're probably working with like 300 seconds, as opposed to as opposed to just 5. But for demo purposes, I just made this 5. Essentially, this script waits for 5 seconds and then it's going to automatically quit your game. That's something that I want to make sure each and every one of you include in your final project, just to make sure, because we're going to have so limited time on the day of the presentation that we don't accidentally go over. So we're going to make sure that we have a countdown for everyone. So this is going to be included. This is going to be on Moodle, this little chunk of code here. This whole quit script will be included on Moodle, including this part here with the countdown and including this part here where you can exit by just pressing escape. So make sure for your final project that this is included, that you include an empty game object, maybe called game quit or something similar, and you just attach the quit script, this script, onto it. That way it knows that after a certain amount of time, the game should just close. That way we don't go overtime for anybody. Optionally, not necessarily required, but if you wanted to, you could create a countdown timer to put up on the screen as well, like I did. Having an actual countdown be on screen will be optional because you're all going to have that script, that little piece of code anyway, which will ensure that that no matter what, after a certain amount of time, your game will quit and we won't go overtime for anybody. But including a timer could be a nice touch for your project if you wanted to, and just having some text that says time remaining on demo or something like that. I may create a video later on in the future about how to create this text specifically and how to have it count down. That may be something I do in the future. I will include the script for the countdown here for you to have. And in class at some point, or maybe in an extra video, we may go over the steps of actually creating the text here for the screen. But for now, for this short video, I just wanted to show you there is a quit script. You're going to have the expectation of making your experiences timed demos, and if you wanted to for extra credit, you could add in a little timer to enhance the experience and provide a little bit of UI for the player. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much for watching.